how to set the camera ProRaw format to JPEG Lossless, most compatible, or JPEG-XL Lossless or Lossy on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Camera. Next, go down and then tap on Format. Then in here, scroll down and then tap on ProRaw and Resolution Control. Make sure the toggle button is switched on. Then tap on Pro Default. In here, we go down to ProRaw Format, and from here you could select JPEG Lossless, JPEG-XL Lossless, or JPEG-XL Lossy. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the previous settings, or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.